The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
Yeah. So we ask her, so Rose, will you marry me? And what do you say, Rose?
She said yes.
Do it again.
Yeah. Go on again. Go we never see it, you know. One seat live on Mello FM in a studio right now. So you have a ring to do it again. Do it again, expert. Do it again, expert. Make we see what one. We got expert and Rose in this. So you got to go on knee again now, Rasta.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, for some time now, I saw videos on social media showing a female who goes by the name of Rose on social media. Or should I say persons on social media call her Rose. Alright? And I also saw videos on social media showing a male who persons on social media call expert. You see me? Yeah, and to my understanding of some videos that have been put out there on social media and this video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, it is said that Rose and Expert is a couple. And when I say couple, I mean that they're in a relationship, a romantic relationship. Now, I have a video that's going to show Ron Muschette interviewing Rose and Expert. You see me? Yes, Ron Muschette. You know, I hope I get his name right. You know, I sometimes have a little problem pronouncing the Muschette part. You see what I'm saying to you? And I'm talking about Ron Muschette, who was a radio personnel on the RFM radio station within the country of Jamaica. And then, you know, he left RFM radio station and went to Mello FM radio station. That's within the country of Jamaica also. You see what I'm saying to you? But anyways, I'm going to present this video to you right about now, and this video is going to show when Ron Muschette interviewed Expert and Rose. And you know, please bear in mind that this video shows a little romantic scene between Expert and Rose. You know, Expert and Rose kissed in this video, so some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Ford Spence, I'm right name.
X-Ford.
Spence.
X-Ford's friend. We can't do X-Ford. X-Ford. So what they call the expert?
No, that is just a nickname.
A nickname? Wow, yeah, nice of the place though. Yeah, so where you come from? Where you come from? Where you from?
Flanker.
Flanker? Yeah, wow. So how you get so popular, man? What happened? How you just bust out so big expert?
Yeah, man, I want picture, I go to the gas station and make it in global now.
One thing I go to the gas station?
The picture, I go to the gas station make it in global now.
Oh, so you did take a picture and go to the gas station? Tell me about that picture, because I don't really know about it, the expert.
I went Monday where I come from Clock Tower.
And stop out a gully?
Go look drive for come a flanker.
And take a picture? And everybody just get excited over a picture? Man. So I want to pick up, so everybody know on social media call you expert. But I'm not really expert here right now.
X-Ford Spence.
X-Ford. Oh, okay. So where Rose the man? We love how you life the man. Where Rose the man?
Outside.
Yeah man, call Rose the man. I want to say hello to Rose.
Rose.
Quickly man, come in man. Keep our
Alright.
Keep our distance, but we want to at least say hello to Rose, you know. Boogie, you catch everything?
Yeah, man.
Hottest couple you must say about Rose, man. Rose, come here.
Great,
Oh, hot
Rose.
girl, Rose. Come in, Rose. How you doing, Rose? Come say hello live on Mello FM, Rose. Talking on the microphone
man.
about this, Rose. Hello, Rose.
Hello,
How you doing, darling?
fine.
Yeah, where you live, Rose?
CLM,
See-
CLM.
CLM. So me you say you're the hottest girl around the town, you know?
Yes.
So why is so hot, Rose? What's going on?
What they going?
Yeah, come here, say you love, how you love expert?
Yes.
Come here about you have a love story, say you love expert, and you say him break your heart and him break your heart.
Yes.
How you do that? Why break your heart? What you do?
I can me friend to picture with one.
Okay, you show your picture with him and next girl.
Yes, the kiss.
I can't. No.
Listen,
Yeah?
you can know one picture with the thing, the kissy girl.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Alright,
No. Expert can't do that, man. And I kiss and all them things, man.
Yeah, and I think happy birthday to the girl.
So that make you hurt.
And that memory,
And him break your heart.
him break me heart.
And break your heart.
Yes.
Oh gosh. But we know everything alright, we understand, so you're back in love now.
Yes.
And you're the star and everybody know the Rose and so what you call him? Expert?
Yeah.
What you call him, sir?
What am I calling so? Come know somebody call expert.
Oh, so you just give him that the name?
Yes.
So you love him, Rose?
Yes.
So you want all of Jamaica in the world to know so you're really in love, Rose?
Yes.
Really in love.
Yes.
So me say you got married.
Yes.
And when you got married, Rose?
November.
I don't know when yet.
November.
You don't remember yet?
November.
But that's soon though.
Yes.
So you want to say to all the people them out there right now, Rose?
People
Yeah.
are there with my friend them.
Uh-huh.
I want to give up my daughter, my
Yeah.
son,
Yeah.
my mother,
Yeah.
my sister,
Mm-hmm.
and they need to go back to school.
You need to go back to school?
Yes.
Yeah, so what you want to go learn?
My daughter Portugal, Bota Berna.
Mortal Verna?
Yes.
Oh, your daughter?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, sir, Rose. So you'd like to learn a skill?
Me?
What would you like to be if you could learn a skill right now?
Be a kid.
Yeah, like, you know, guys say you want to go back to school.
Yeah.
So where you want to go back to school to learn?
Learn anything when I can.
Anything, not true? You're going to be a nurse, not true? Nurse
Yeah.
Rose.
Yes.
Not true?
Yes.
All right, darling. Well, I wish you all the best and it's nice to know that you're an expert.
Yes, sir.
Don't break our heart and break our heart, you know, man. Come here, my boss. Where you love our expert?
No.
You love her?
Yeah, man.
All right, so tell all of Jamaica how you feel about her, man. And so when at the wedding? Because we would have liked to come to my wedding, you know, man.
I say, I know, man.
So you're going to marry on your birthday?
Yeah, also on birthday.
On your birthday, you're married to her? So you propose already? What? So we do that? Come never see that.
No, I don't. They on phone.
You on your phone?
Yeah.
So we ask her, so Rose, will you marry me? And what do you say, Rose?
She said yes.
Do it again.
Yeah. Go on again, because we never see it, you know. Want to see it live on Mello FM in our studio right now. So you have a ring to... Do it again. Do it again, expert. Do it again, expert. Make us see what going on. We got expert on Rose in this... So you got to go on knee again? No, Rasta. Come again, man. Ask her again live. Let me see her.
Yes.
Oh, well, listen now. By the power invested in me by the radio station in Jamaica, before you're married, I pronounce you soon to be man and wife. You may practice kiss. You can't kiss the bride.
Lord
you know.
Jesus.
Yeah, man. Kiss the bride. Whoa, expert. All right, expert. Okay.
All right.
Okay, expert. Well, respect, you know, and big up to your manager, you know, and big up to the whole crew, you know, man. And very good to see you, expert on Rose.
Yeah.
And all the best to you, here.
Yeah.
And if you keep safe, you know, and wearing a mask, here.
Yeah.
All right. Big up.
Big up on yourself.
Big up. Alright, so that's expert on Rose. You must have heard about them hot couple here in the island, all over social media, and according to expert, say them are married. When I get expert?
2nd November.
2nd of November, my boss.
Viewers and subscribers, Rose and expert remind me of a power couple on social media. For some reason, these two persons are being talked about on social media. I mean, their relationship is out there on social media. You know, I mean, I said this, you know, I said that for some time I saw their videos on social media, but to say I'm the kind of person, some things on social media I don't really try to put out there, you know. When it comes down to a person's personal life and all these things, you know, some of the times I just say, you know what, just leave that alone, because, you know, it's just persons trying to live a loving way, or, you know, live their life a certain way or so forth. So therefore, you know, to put it out there and all these things. And some comments that have been made about their whole relationship, you see me, I didn't feel right posting it on social media at the time. But right now, you know, this interview, you know, I think it is nice. I like what's going on. You see me? I like how they're being put out there on social media. So what I'm saying to you, yeah, I like how they're growing. You see me? To me, they're like a star. You see me? In my point of view, like I said, they remind me of a power couple. You see me? Alright, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, let me know what you think about some of the things that have been seen and said in this video that I just presented to you. You see me? And I want to say big up and respect to Rose and Expert. You see me? Yeah, and you know, Expert also mentioned that he goes by another name as well. You see me? Yeah. But anyways, you know, me just bring this video to you to make you know what's going on. You see me? Because this video is out on social media, and you know, it's being talked about on social media. Alright? I don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Yeah, and big up to Ron Muschette as well. Alright? Yeah, big up to Ron Muschette. Alright? I hope I get the pronunciation of his name right and so forth. You see me? Alright, yeah. So here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch.
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.